To finance, and the share market fell today while Bitcoin has slumped back below a key threshold. Here's business reporter Chris Kohler.
The ASX today gave up 31 points, with all sectors losing ground following a negative night on Wall Street. CSL, ANZ and Bunnings owner Wesfarmers weighing particularly heavily on the market. Gold mining companies were higher though, boosted by some small gains in the price of gold, while drivers will be happy to see the oil price back below $100 a barrel. That drop coming as China's huge lockdown means less demand. Elsewhere, the Australian dollar pulled itself higher after some weakness overnight. It's buying 74 US cents and 68 euro cents, and cryptocurrencies are out of favour. Bitcoin has given up more than $7,000 US since the start of this month. It's back below $40,000.
The average price for unleaded petrol in Brisbane is $1.66, diesel is $1.95. The average for unleaded on the Gold Coast is $1.70. RACQ says it is time to fill the tank. Fuel prices are cheap.
We usually only contact insurance after something has gone wrong. Well, a new player in the sector is trying something different, actively trying to stop potential disaster before it even happens, and it'll save you money.
Hindsight is 20/20, especially when it comes to home insurance. But now, for the first time ever, Australians are being given a glimpse into the future through these tiny smart sensors.
Those sensors can monitor for theft, they can monitor for escape of water, and they can monitor for when your smoke alarm goes off and you're not in the home.
The technology flipping the traditionally reactive insurance industry on its head.
Most insurance offerings look at what can happen after the fact. We look at how we can help customers up front.
The proactive approach aiming to help customers deal with potential danger before it becomes a big deal, removing the need to make a claim altogether. Homeowners will also be eligible for an 8% discount on their premium, and the sensors can be installed wherever you determine the biggest risks in your home to be.
I've put them in our entrances, all the various entrances that I have, and for me it gives me a sense of security. So I know when somebody's going to be coming in, going out. I know when my front door opens or when my rear door opens. In the last floods that happened in 2011, in the home that I lived in Brisbane, these sensors would have been really handy because our home did get flooded.
And once activated, they'll send an alert to your phone via an app if they detect water leaks, open doors and windows, temperature changes and sounding smoke alarms. It's almost like an insurance company taking out insurance on you. The tech claims to eliminate 50% of all avoidable accidents, and the company says they don't use the data collected from the sensors when processing a claim. But industry experts warn.
Make sure that just by ignoring a warning or turning the sensors off, you're not invalidating that, because that can affect whether or not a claim's paid. Satisfy yourself that the information's being used just the way you expect.
Bridget O'Brien, 9 News.
Time now for your full look at the forecast. Luke, how are the beaches going to be tomorrow?
Well, Melissa, we don't have a hazardous surf warning for our Wednesday, but we didn't have one today, and we still saw a number of beach closures, particularly up on the Sunshine Coast, and where I am this evening here at Burleigh Beach today. We saw the swell today up around 2 metres. Tomorrow, that's going to drop off significantly. We'll see it down around 1 metre. It's a very powerful swell, though, so if you are coming down the beach, look, the morning will be the pick of it. We're going to wake to light winds, southeasterly winds kicking in the afternoon, so fairly dangerous conditions again tomorrow, particularly on the open beaches. And those southeasterly winds tomorrow will have a dramatic effect on the temps. Have a look at today's temps from around the southeast. We're up 28 degrees down here at Burleigh today. 27 the top for Surfers Paradise and Southport. But the city cracked 30 degrees, as did Ipswich and Logan. Top of 28 degrees on the Sunshine Coast. It will be a lot cooler tomorrow. If we look at tomorrow's weather map, you can see a trough in the far north of the country. That's going to bring some showers and storms. And we can see some onshore winds for bringing in some light showers around the southeast. We're looking at falls of upwards of 10 millimetres and potentially an afternoon storm as well. Around the grounds tomorrow, showers on the way for Sydney, but fine for Melbourne, Adelaide and also Perth, and a possible storm in the top end for Darwin. Back home, got a shower or two for Cairns, but fine for Townsville and Mackay. And in the west, we're going to barely see a cloud in the sky right the way from the Isa through to Roma. Mostly sunny for Rocky and Gladstone tomorrow, but through the White Bay Coast, we could see some possible showers. showers, anywhere up to 5 millimetres for most areas. And then here in the southeast, high chance of showers for most of us. Falls, as I said, up to 10 millimetres possible. And have a look at the temps, a lot cooler than today. A top of just 25 degrees for the Sunshine Coast tomorrow. 27 will be the top for Ipswich. And here on the Gold Coast, way below average, top at 24 degrees. Southeasterly winds getting up to around 25 k's an hour by about mid-morning. So out on the bay, you'll want to go super early if you're heading out there. We're going to see those southeasterly winds getting up to around 20 knots. For the city tomorrow, good chance of rain, heading for a top of just 26 degrees and dipping down tonight to 19. And then as we look ahead for the all-important Easter long weekend forecast, a slight chance of some showers on Friday, less than a millimetre, so not enough to ruin your plans. And then looking great for the rest of the Easter long weekend, just a possible light shower on Easter Sunday. For Ipswich, possible afternoon shower Thursday, and then a great looking Easter long weekend on the way. Here on the Gold Coast, we do have a chance of rain most days over the Easter long weekend, but they will be light if at all, and a pretty similar outlook for you up on the Sunshine Coast as well, guys. So a bit of rain tomorrow, plenty of sunshine on the way.
That is good to hear, Luke. Thank you. And that is 9 News Queensland for this evening. Dimity Clancy is next with a current affair.
Good night.